Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make Telegram show sensitive content. So you have to just open the Telegram app. So when it's open, you have to go to the privacy and security settings, scroll down to find sensitive content. So there is you cannot see. So you just go back on the home screen and open the browser, and you have to log in browser Telegram. So when it's open, you have to go to the settings, and again you have to click to settings and privacy on the browser. So only some user will see this feature. When applicable, the app will display a toggle for display filtering under setting privacy and security. I used Web Telegram to disable sensitive filtering since it's not available for Android user on mobile. However, it doesn't display. Maybe it's work on iOS. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.